In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps and best practices of using the Linked Assist auto connection feature. This feature will help you connect with people that can turn into leads, clients, customers, or partners. This is a great way to generate leads without running paid ads on Google, Facebook, or other platforms. The power of LinkedIn is that the people who are hungry for business are spending time there. The first step is to find the group of people you want to target. Let's try marketing agencies for this example. You'll enter the search keyword marketing agencies here at the search box. And to further refine your targeted group, use these other parameters of the filters to narrow it down to get better conversions. You want to make sure you select second connections. Click on the Linked Assist icon in the Chrome browser. Click on the Select Feature dropdown and choose Auto Connection. Next, you can enter the number of users you want to connect with. For this example, I'll enter 50. This next option is the time interval between each connection request in seconds. Linked Assist automatically defaults to 5 seconds here, but you can extend that range. For example, if you entered 15 seconds, Linked Assist would run every 5 to 15 seconds. The next step is to select a message. This is the message that will be sent to each of the connection requests. To create saved messages that will appear in this section, go to Linked Assist, click on Settings, Messages Signature, then you can name the message, enter the message body, then click Add. You can also create or modify your standard signature and then click Update. Consider that the connection request message size and placeholder allows a maximum of 300 characters. If you write more than 300 characters, only part of the message will be sent. When all those fields are set up, you'll click the Start Linked Assist button, and you'll see it begin to send the connection request in real time down here in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once the program is finished, you'll get an automatic CSV download of your connection requests. This will include the first name, last name, job title, and a link to their profile. And that's it. Let us know if you have any questions.